Hey everyone! Did you know that a cozy living space can boost your mood and productivity by up to 20%? That's right. It's amazing what a little comfort can do for your day-to-day life. Today, we're diving into the world of living room transformations. We're talking about how to turn that cold, cluttered space into a warm, inviting haven. It's super important to have a cozy atmosphere in your home, especially since we spend so much time in our living rooms. Let's get started. Presentation of the problem, challenge. So let's talk about the common issues many of us face with our living rooms. First up, clutter. It just seems to accumulate, right? You know those random items that don't really have a place. They can make your space feel chaotic and unwelcoming. Then there's comfort. Maybe your couch is looking a bit sad, or those chairs just don't cut it for lounging. And let's not forget about outdated decor. If your living room hasn't had a refresh in years, it might be time for a change. These issues can really affect how you feel in your space, but don't worry. We're here to tackle them together. Exploration, development. Now let's get into the fun part, transforming your living room. First, think about your color scheme. Soft, warm colors can make a space feel cozy. You might try adding some earthy tones or pastel shades to your walls or decor. Next, let's talk furniture arrangement. Try to create a layout that encourages conversation. Position your couch and chairs in a way that invites people to gather. If you have space, adding a comfy rug can help define the area and add warmth. And of course, decor is key. Layering in some throw pillows, blankets, and personal touches like photos or artwork can really bring your space to life. Don't forget plants. They add a splash of color and make the air fresher. Climax, key moment. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Here's the final look of a transformed living room. Check out how the warm colors and new furniture arrangement make it feel so inviting. Look at those cozy throw pillows and that beautiful rug. And those plants, they just bring the whole space together. The key changes we made, like decluttering and adding personal touches, have truly made a huge impact. It's now a space that feels like home. Conclusion, summary. To wrap things up, let's recap our transformation journey. We started by identifying common issues like clutter and outdated decor, and we tackled each challenge step by step. The benefits of having a cozy living room are undeniable. It's all about creating a space that feels comfortable and welcoming. Remember, even small changes can lead to a big difference in how you feel at home. So now it's your turn. I'd love to hear your own living room transformation stories in the comments below. And if you're looking for more home decor tips, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.